Today we will show you how to make the best Christmas gift basket by yourself and have a great time doing it. Select Christmas items your recipient likes. It can be cookies, high-quality champagne, sweets, or chocolates wrapped in a beautifully presented basket. The main idea is that you create a gift yourself to send it to your closest friends and family. Christmas is a season of friendships, family, and of course, gift giving. The tradition of giving during the Christmas season dates back to a wealthy philanthropist of the 3rd century, Saint Nicholas, who was known for his generosity with those less fortunate. Today, many celebrate the holiday by gathering together and exchanging gifts. And don't forget to make pictures with your amazing gift basket. No matter who you would want to spoil this festive season, your mum, dad, granny, son, colleague, or even a boss, no matter where they are, Gift Baskets Overseas can make it happen. Send Christmas gift baskets overseas to everyone on your list today.